All right, fun little games, challenges, or experiences that we are experimenting that we are having here in at Graylind.com. This is Thunder. Jim, you out there? Hey, I love the shirt. Harley Davidson.
Yeah, buddy.
Marley. All right. What we're going to do tonight was we're gonna test the Thermal Smart technology that we just had it extreme tested out on a motorcycle. And we saw about a 50, 60 degree drop. It was proximity where we were at on that bike. Yeah.
Yeah, by the time we were done.
Yeah. Now, nobody has 300 degrees, sun coming in. If it's that hot, we're in a lot of trouble. It's too late. But if you have a hot day that's, even if it's, say, 195 to 100 degrees, you're looking at a window in the sun that's probably going to be about 155, 160 on the outside. Yeah, it's real warm. On the inside, that window would measure in approximately about 150 on the outside. The inside window is going to be about 112, 115. It's going to be quite a little bit warmer than the actual temperature is on the outside. The vents that we see out there in the summertime are running at about, perfect. You got a floor and window vent, right? This would be a one camera shot. You got your AC on right now.
Yes.
What kind of temperature are we having coming out of the air at the vent? $64? Yeah, 65 degrees. It's pretty standard. What's the inside temperature window?
$74.
Awesome. How many laser dots do you see reflect in that window, by the way?
3. Well, actually, that's a screen. In the window, I only see 2. Well, actually, there is 3. Hold on. Can you see those?
So are those are double pane windows with a screen?
Yes.
And that allows each of those beams you see on there to reflect. Yep. Okay. There is a reason why I pointed that out. I'm going to show you here in a second. All right, let's. You got your thermal. All right, let's place that down there on the vent. Same one that was on your motorcycle moments ago.
Hologram side down?
Yep.
All right.
Now, putting, a piece of paper or a kid's sticker placed on any vents, not going to change the temperature. We all know that. But this technology does, in fact, change the laws of thermodynamics by using a holographic biomimicry frequency path. We utilize science of M-state matter in monatomics with the frequencies of aerogel and radiant barrier, two of the most highest insulative value products in the world. We were able to reverse engineer the aerogel and radiant barrier frequencies and capture those into a biomimicry field and broadcast. Product takes about 2 minutes to start, 2 to 5 minutes to really start to kick in. But when it kicks in, it's very noticeable. It's not linear. The hotter it is, the better this thing works. The colder it is, the better this thing works. What we found it to be really unique is it's also a soundproof barrier. So you will notice on your windows, the traffic noise outside is dramatically dropped. It also carries UV light reflectant as well, aiding in the the upholstery, the carpet that gets those sunspots. That's all virtually eliminated. So best of all worlds, when you have a house full of windows on a wall, you get better insulation, quieter noise, and no fading from the sun. All simple to use, peel and seal. How's our temperatures doing out there?
Have a look. 58, 57. Look at that.
Now, the laws of thermodynamics would take that room, 10,000 BTUs for every 1,000 square feet to move 1 degree.
That's amazing.
Let's move that stick up to the window. What was that temperature on the window?
Currently it's 72, 74.
Oh,
It's
well,
already been affected.
there's not much we can do with that. And let me tell you, 72 is our tipping point. So on hot days, it sends the energy to the outside of the glass, and then when it drops below 72, that energy then comes on the inside of the glass. So you get the best of both worlds that way. You have that hologram next to the window now? Yeah. All right.
You want to face in the window or this way?
Either one. We're gonna show folks a kind of cool thing. Do you also have a cigarette lighter there?
I can get one. Hold on 1 second.
Okay. For every pane of glass, you hold a cigarette lighter or a candle next to glass, and what you're going to find is 2 flame tips. Single pane glass, 2 flame tips. Double pane glass, 2 pairs or 4 flame tips. You also have a screen, which is going to reflect. Now, by holding light next to your glass, one can tell if you have invisible gas, low E argon, krypton. Okay, so we clearly see 1, 2, 3 flames, correct?
Correct.
But the flames have 2 pairs. So what you are looking at are 6 flame tips in the mirror.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Well, now, and people are starting to see a ghost flame that is also appearing. Aha.
You see that guy?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we're seeing movement in the lighter ones, which are light faint, but yet still reflecting in the glass. Wow. Now we see 4 pairs of flame tips on each pane. So we have 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Did I count to 6?
Yep.
There's 24 flame tips that are reflecting off that glass. What people are seeing for the very first time is actual multidimensional energy that is reflecting on the glass with light. If you have double pane glass with low E argon invisible gas and you hold a lighter next to it, you will see 3 pairs of 2. 6 flame tips is the most you can have on any window. You just had 24 put. Is that going to be a more thermal insulative glass right there?
Absolutely.
Shoot that laser point there at that window again, because it's already started to work on that glass. And this is how we can show others how to test this. Are you now counting more laser red beams in the light?
Oh, yeah.
Where did they appear?
Reflective back there.
Right. Shoot that AC again for us. Tell us what the temperature is.
Right there at 55. 56.
We were at what temperature?
73, wasn't it?
No, what was the temperature of the air coming out before? 64, 63?
Yeah.
Doesn't seem much, but 8-degree colder temperature. Put your hand out there. You feel it?
I do feel it.
Yeah, it's made quite a difference, isn't it? It's an impact.
Yes. It's huge.
Till next time, tell everybody how to find these awesome products for us out there, Jim.
It'll be www.quantumnrgnow.com.
Our factory authorized rep out there in the great state of and city of St. Louis, Missouri. Till next time, powered by Graylind, this is Thunder. Be good.